Hey y'all, it's Bo Brotherton with Better Together Life. I have a quick little tractor hack video for you. When I am around the property clearing land with my brush hog here, a lot of the times I have to get, like we just have a whole lot of thickets where there's big oaks and then cedars and then holly trees. And I need to be able to figure out how to clear underneath there to reveal the nice big cedars and especially the big giant oaks here on our property. And so when you're doing that, you don't want to get off the tractor and get a chainsaw, but a lot of the times there's like these 1-inch diameter branches that come and like whack you in the face. They hit the ROPS here, they hit you in the back of the head. And I need a way to be able to keep my loppers handy right in a quick way that I can be able to grab them. And I know that y'all might be kind of not understanding of like, hey, what, you have this big giant tractor, why don't you be using a manly tool like a chainsaw or something? Yes, I would like to have some sort of attachment with the chainsaw, and they make those, but really for like 1-inch diameter branches that are thin at the end of a tree that are very bendy, a chainsaw really doesn't do that. You really need some pruners, something here that you can be able to just take those branches off. So I came up with this cool hack that I saw here on YouTube. Someone was doing it for shovels, and I'm going to use it for my loppers. This is called a quick fist clamp. It's like just this rubber little thingamajigger here that you can mount. A lot of people would use this for mounting tools into a shed, a garage, or something like that. And then you would just mount it to a stud. So it's super easy. Well, of course, I don't have any kind of studs or anything in the tractor. So I was trying to figure out a way to be able to have some kind of bracket or something to clamp. And that's whenever I found this video. I'll put the link down in the video below of somebody doing it with some shovels. But with this, for using my pruners, he found out that what he did is he just got one of these 90-pound, 80-pound magnets. It works awesome. So this is just a number 10 bolt. I think this is like a 1/2-inch bolt, just a nut. Super, super simple. And bam, you have an awesome way to mount this guy wherever you want so that you can hold lightweight things like pruners, tools like that. All right, here we go. Just put it right here to where I can grab it. And there we go. So that way, whenever I'm sitting up in the tractor, I can easily just reach over, grab the pruners, and then quickly put them back in the spot. All right, y'all, I'm gonna put some videos up here because if you like this video, I think you're gonna like our other tractor videos as well as our complete playlist of us building this homestead from scratch.